Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am is here, beta.
Good morning, Rubia. Good morning, kids.
Morning, Principal
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
How
morning,
are
bete.
you, Principal ma'am?
I'm on
Good
top of the world.
morning,
How
ma'am.
about you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I'm
morning.
the world. I'm also on the top of the world.
Yes. Jasmine, we may start. We all are here. And it's 8 o'clock. Right?
Dictora respetada ma'am, maestros y mis amigos. Buenos días, me llamo Gerald Cor, estudio en el grado 3, señorita Rubia Singh, nuestra maestra de tres. Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jasmine Kaur. I study in grade 3B. Today I am here to take you around in Spain. As we all know, Spain is located southwest corner. Is fascinating and the beautiful countries of Spain is one of the largest countries in Europe. It is known for its food, flamenco dance, music, bullfight, and many more. Let's proceed and explore about Spain with my friends. First of all, I would like to request my friend Karman Bir to start. Buenos dias, respectada directora, senora maestra. I am Karman Bir Singh from grade 3rd B. Today I am here to represent Spain's headline in front of you. Spain country located in extreme southwestern Europe. Spain's national anthem has no lyrics. The Spanish town Bunal hosts an annual tomato throwing festival called La Tomatina. Spain's most common food is the tortilla de potato. Spanish ladies wear cotton and linen clothes with flowery pattern. Gracias. Wow, Karamir, it was awesome. Now I would like to call Shrija to tell us more about Spain. Respected principal ma'am, teacher, and dear friends, buenos dias. Me llamo Shrija. The Spanish name for Spain is España, which comes from the Latin word Hispania. It means the land of rabbits. Spain is located in Europe. The biggest city and capital is Madrid. La Tomatina is the festival of Spain, where people throw tomatoes on each other. The highest mountain of Spain is not in Spain. Spaniards tend to speak very loudly. The national anthem of Spain has no words. On the New Year, Spaniards eat 12 grapes in 1 minute. They think it will bring good luck. To go to Portugal from Spain, a zip line is established, which can be crossed only in 1 minute. There is a 47 stories building in Spain where no elevator is used. Spanish speakers are more in USA than Spain. Espero que debas disfrutar. Gracias. Shija, it was fabulous. Next, I will call Namanpreet to talk more about Spain. Buenos días. Mi nombre es Namanpreet Singh Grover. Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to tell about Spain. Spain is situated in southwestern Europe. Madrid is the capital city of Spain. Spanish is the official language. Football is the favorite game in Spain. Mount It is the highest mountain peak in Spain. Euro is the currency of Spain. Barcelona is the most visited place in Spain. La Matina is the most popular fun festival of Spain. Flamenco is the world famous dance of Spain. Spain is also famous for its bullfighting. Gracias. Namanpreet has explored Spain in a marvelous way. Next, I would request Manju to share her views on Spain. Buenos días. Myself, Manju, student of grade 13. Going to see something about Spain. Spain currency is euro. Spain national game is football. Spain national dance is flamenco. High star, pyramid mountain. Gracias. Manju, it was just wow. Now Manojot will tell us about his creations. Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Manojot Singh. Good morning to all of you all. Now I will share my screen and show you my PPT on Spain. Okay. Hola a todos. Buenos dias. My name is Manojot Singh. I read in grade 3. My school's name is Gems Public School, Patiala. This is my PPT on Spain. The country of the month is Spain. Spain is famous for flamenco dance style. It's also famous for corrida de toros. That's bullfighting. The famous artist of Spain is Salvador Dali. He was a great Spanish artist. I made an artwork inspired from Dali. This painting name is The Melting Watch. It describes the emotions of civil war in Spain. Gracias. Manojot, you have rocked in a creation way. Sapura is the next who has explored Spain deeply. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends, buenos dias. Today I am here to speak fun facts about Spain. The official name of Spain is the Kingdom of Spain. Only 72% of Spain speak Spanish. The rest speak other languages. The Spanish national anthem has no words. La Tomatina is an annual festival held in Spain where people throw thousands of tomatoes at each other. Same-sex marriage has been legal in Spain since 2005. Spain produces over 40% of the world's olive oil. Spain was the first country to ban smoking at bars and workplaces. Enjoying life is a big part of the Spanish culture. Spain was the first country where wind power was the greatest source of energy. Spain is the first country where wind power was the greatest source of energy in India. Spain didn't officially participate in the world wars. Spain still has a king. There are more than 8,000 beaches in Spain. Spain didn't officially participate in the world wars. Spain still has a king. Spain is the first country to ban smoking at bars and workplaces. There's a cable car where you can cross the Spanish border. The next time, use this chapter thanks to Spain. Thank you and have a nice day. Gracias.
Sapura, I believe I'm in Spain now. Thank you. Next is Janveer, who speak more on Spain.
Thank you, Jasmine. Respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Buenos dias to all of you. My name is Dhanveer Koraluwalia. Today I am going to speak on Spain country. Spain is a country in southern Europe. Spain has bordered with France, Portugal, Morocco. The president of Spain is Pedro Sanchez. The official name of Spain is the Kingdom of Spain. Spain's capital city is Madrid. Spain is fourth Europe's largest country. Spain is the 28th most populated country in the world. The National Day of Spain is celebrated on 12th October. Bullfighting is a traditional animal game. Football is the most popular sport in Spain. Gracias.
Excellent, Dhanveer. Shimon is on her hills to inform us more on Spain.
Thank you, Jasmine. We may end it now, right? I would like you to please put it on an end.
Next.
Last one, beta.
I really felt like I was in Spain. Thank you so much, dear Vlogs, for being a kind audience. Now I would like to invite our respected principal ma'am to provide us to feedback of our activity.
Thank you, Jasmine. Rubia kids and dear parents, I think it was a wonderful effort by these little kids. Rubia, your ideation, the way you helped them define the complete assembly and giving them, the write outs. And I think this could not have happened without the support of parents. They have worked really well with their kids at home. I'm thankful to all the parents here sitting with their kids for supporting and helping them and helping us also in making these children perform so well. It was, I think, it is practice which makes a man perfect. So slowly and gradually, I'm sure I have 100% faith in these kids, their parents, and you as a class in charge, that they will improve in their confidence, though they were quite a lot confident than they were earlier. There's a lot improvement which is clearly visible here. And as Jasmine said, that it was a walk through Spain, complete information, knowledge, the way they were dressed up. So it was beautiful, and I enjoyed this assembly. It was a good start for a day. Thank you, and keep it up. God
Thank
bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Rubia, please continue.
Thank you so much. ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations,
Have a
darling.
great day, kids.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was a big
Thank you,
success.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It